Hey everyone, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. So it's been a couple weeks since I have filmed anything. I've been a little MIA. I just wanted to explain. I had a passing in the family, had to go up to Chicago for a funeral, and then our air conditioner came back to Florida. I was getting ready to film some videos, and our air conditioner's been out for 6 days. So it's working upstairs but not downstairs, and downstairs here is where my bead room is, and it is very hot. It's about 82 right now, so I haven't really been inspired to film anything. Hopefully it's going to be fixed today or tomorrow. So I just thought I would do this unboxing for the bargain bead box for the month of July called Coastal Breeze. I know that we're almost on August, but I want to get hopping on making some things for this, so I wanted to do the unboxing first, in case if you guys haven't seen it. So it says White Sands, Turquoise Seas, and Coral Pinks inspired this month's Seaside palette. Highlights include carved shell drops, agate cubes, and two-tone cylinders, natural mother-of-pearl rounds, and bumpy Lampert Nautilus beads. Synthetic coral and electroplated lava stone gives oceanic color and texture without damaging reefs, while crystal accent beads and a set of silver finished findings and a starfish and shell motifs complete the collection. So I will leave a link below to this in case if you've never heard of bargain bead box. And let me set everything up. There's 21 pieces here, and it says the approximate retail value for this is $69.99. So let me get set up and we'll be right back. So number one is a 30-piece 7x5mm star bead caps. They're lead-free, nickel-free, and cadmium-free. These are very pretty. They look really pretty with, this is a beautiful set this month. And number two is a 2-piece 22x5mm Starfish charms. And these already have a nice big jump ring on them. So these could be used as a little charm. You can use these for a pendant, like a focal piece on a necklace. You could take these off if you wanted to make earrings. There's a lot you can do with these. Very pretty. Number three is a 51x53mm textured starfish pendant. Lead-free, nickel-free, and cadmium-free. And this is one side, and this is the other. It's very pretty pendant. The hole is a little lower down on this. It's not high up, which probably is good, because if it was too high up, unless it was a smaller hole, it would risk it breaking. So, you know, you could put something, you know, and have it where it's kind of sticking out a little more in the necklace. So, but yeah, this is a really pretty piece. It's nice. You could patina this if you wanted to, or just use it like this. And number four is approximately 16-inch strand of 4x3mm crystal rondelle beads and alabaster AB with an AB finish. So these are really pretty. A nice long strand of them. A lot you can do with them. Tell you, summer never ends down here in Florida. So we have this kind of jewelry going all year round. Number five is approximately 10-inch strand of 8mm crystal round beads in turquoise. These are very pretty. You can see they have a nice sparkly finish on them. Nice size. There's a lot of stuff in this box. Number six is approximately 7-inch strand of 14-piece synthetic turquoise starfish beads. Very pretty. They're kind of odd shaped, which I like. They're not like that perfect starfish, because starfish, of course, aren't perfect a lot of times. So see how they kind of curve, like on one piece of it. This is a nice piece. This is a really nice strand. Number seven is approximately 7.5 strand of 8mm polished seashell round beads. These are really pretty. Really nice holes in them. Get a nice shine to them. Very well made beads, very pretty. Number 8 is approximately 1 meter of 4 by 3 millimeter textured steel oval chain, lead and nickel free. So I really like this style of chain. Nice long strand. You could do a lot with this. I like to, when they're thinner like this, and if you make a chunky necklace, you can kind of like, almost like triple that up, double that up, just to give it a little more texture on the necklace. It's really pretty. Number 9 is approximately 7-inch strand of 6 to 8 millimeter frosted weathered agate cubes. These are really cool. I don't know if you can, the camera's picking this up. They're very cool. They've got like crackled agate going on. I've never seen them this shape before like this. Very pretty. Number 10 is approximately 15-inch strand of 5 millimeter mother of pearl shell round beads. These are very pretty. It's a nice long strand here. I love the uniqueness of mother of pearl. Each bead's just a teeny bit different. It gives them, you could see the texture on some of them is a little more, and then some are just like a really pretty pale white. Number 11 is 2 pieces of 10 by 11 millimeter hand carved shell drops. These are really pretty. You could use these for a focal on a necklace. These could be earrings. You could actually make these charms if you do like a wrap bracelet or something. Now the other side is plain, this side is ribbed, so you just have to make sure that you point it so that it lands this way when it's hanging. Very pretty. These are really pretty. 6 piece of 11 millimeter synthetic coral fluted melon beads in light turquoise. Oh, and they're synthetic. Very pretty. I love melon beads. They're really cool. They're not really heavy. They've got some weight to them, but they're not too heavy, but they're so pretty. Number 13 is a 10-gram bag of 13 by 18 millimeter shell and starfish links, lead, nickel, and cadmium free. Oh, these are really cute. And they're connectors. They have one at the top, one at the bottom. And you could, if you wanted to, I mean, you could snap that, probably that little one off and just have the one link, but this would be really pretty for a very beachy necklace. Got some really cool ideas for this. And number 14 is a 5 piece of 10 by 11 millimeter synthetic coral scallop beads. Varied pink is the color. So different. It's very pretty. I like the texture on these. Very well made beads. Very pretty. Number 15 is a 10-gram bag of 14 millimeter starfish beads, lead and cadmium free. So the hole is right there. So this is how it runs. Very cute. Such a beachy bag this month. Number 16 is approximately 7.5-inch strand of 8.5 by 8 millimeter electroplated lava stone barrel beads. Now these are definitely different, because even though they're thick round, the hole is not a big hole, so it's smaller. These are definitely really cool. Different, you know, shape and texture from what we normally get. I like that. I love all different sizes and shapes and textures of beads when you get them in a box. And 17 is 2 sets of 21 by 16.5 millimeter pebble textured toggle clasp, lead and cadmium free. These are cool. Very pretty. Number 18 is 2 pieces of 26 by 29 carved shell pendants. These are really pretty. This one's a little flatter texture, even though it's ribbed. This one's got a little more of like a different texture on it. I don't know if you can see it in the thing. And then this is the back of them. Very pretty though. And number 19 is a 40-piece strand of 6 by 4 millimeter freshwater shell beads in pale pink, and they are dyed. So pretty. This is a very summery box. Love this, so pretty. And number 20 is a 2-piece 13 by 14 and a half, 14 to 15 millimeter handmade Lampert glass Nautilus beads. I'm not really sure what that's supposed to be. Sometimes with Lampert beads, you know, they don't have the actual shape, and they're cool looking, definitely unique, but not really sure what they are. These are absolutely gorgeous. Number 21 is a 2-piece 34 by 9 millimeter two-tone agate oval beads in cream transparent ivory. These are gorgeous. The holder's that way. They're so pretty. These would make really pretty dangle earrings. I love these. So let me know down in the comments below what you liked about this set. I think that these oval beads, I think these might have been my favorite. These are really cool. So I hope you like this, and I do have more videos coming up. I'm getting back into the groove of things here. Thank you for tuning into my channel, and don't forget to hit the thumbs up for this video so I know you like it, and also subscribe and hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. And let me know in the comments how you like this and what other type of videos you'd like to see. Also, you can follow me below on Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram, and on my Etsy store. So I hope you like this video and subscribe, and thank you, and I will see you on my next video. Have a great day.